Welcome back to Making Money Incessantly. Today we'll be discussing InVideo AI and the step-by-step methods on how to use this wonderful platform. AI is changing video production. It makes it faster and easier. You can make high-quality videos without special skills. InVideo AI is a powerful tool for this. This guide will show you how to use InVideo AI to make a stunning video. We will cover everything. You'll learn how to sign up, use templates, and generate videos with text. We will also explore editing, adding effects, and sharing your creations. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced video creator, this guide also has something for you. Let's unlock the magic of AI video creation together. So to begin your AI video journey, head over to the InVideo website. Sign up is very easy. You can create a new account or log in with your existing Google or Facebook account. I'm already signed up, so I'm just going to log in right here. Once I log in, I've been using the system for a long time, so it prompts you right into making a new video. However, I'm going to take you to the home page here, and these are all the videos that I've created, so you can bypass that. But this is where you're going to be prompted to create a new video. So let's click this. Now, to make a video, you have several ways to do it. I can give it a command and ask it whatever I want. So I'm going to say create a 1-minute video about flowers. Make the video funny and engaging. Background music. Let's try background music. Will be inspirational. And I want a female voice to narrate. Okay, so that's all I'm creating right now. And let's see what it does. So you can see it's analyzing, it's thinking, because it's going to put this entire video together for me. So we're going to have the background music, we're going to have the video itself, and we're going to have the voiceover just based on this command. It's going to take a few minutes, but once it's all said and done, it usually looks pretty good. So now, the audience, flower lovers or comedy fans, it can be either one. So I think I'm going to go with comedy fans on this one. The look and feel is going to be bright. Even though I asked for inspirational, bright is still good. And this is a platform for YouTube. So I'm going to continue. Okay, now the video is complete. Let's take a gander at the video.
Why are there not more people talking about the humorous side of horticulture? Today, I'll show you how flowers can lighten up your life and tickle your funny buds. Let's dive into the whimsical world of flowers. Ever heard of the snapdragon? It's not just a processor in your phone, folks. This flower literally snaps.
Now, say for instance, I don't like the voice of the female. I don't like the music. I can make changes to this video. All I have to do is to go into, well, I can give it a command. It says, I can say change the voice to male with southern tone, and change the music to more upbeat tempo. So these are the commands that you can give it just to add your flavor to the video. And let's generate. So it's thinking and it's making the changes as we go. now completed the changes, so let's see what it sounds like now.
Not just a processor in your phone, folks. This flower literally
Wow,
snaps.
that's completely different.
Its petals resemble a dragon's mouth, and if you gently squeeze the sides, it'll snap at you like a playful puppy.
It is definitely more upbeat.
Sounds like a gothic novel, right? But it's just a flower with
Let's pause.
blooms that...
Now let's say I don't like the script that much. We can make changes to the script. Just go into your edit and let's make some changes to the script here. So it says, let's dive into the whimsical world of flowers. So this slide, we can make, let's dive into the comical world of flowers. Let's say comical instead of whimsical. So you can see comical world of flowers. I've made that change. I can go down and make any changes I want to my script. Okay. Once I've made the changes, I can apply the changes. And again, it's thinking again, so that we can hear where the changes were made. I'm going to go back to the beginning because that's where I made the change. So let's take our cursor, let's stop it, and we're going to take this all the way back because I made that change at the very beginning. So let's start anew.
Why are there not more people talking about the humorous side of horticulture? Today, I'll show you how flowers can lighten up your life and tickle your funny buds. Let's dive into the comical world
and
of
that
flowers.
was the change, the comical world of flowers. So you can see how easy it is to make an edit on the script. We're going to make another change, and this time we're going to make changes to the video itself. So we're going to add in different flowers. We're going to make all kinds of changes. So let's start there. I'm going to go into edit, and let's say let me go down here to some other flowers here. Let's see what this screen says. Its real name. Okay, no, I'll keep going back to this same screen here. With flowers like these, who needs stand-up comedians? That is a very good substitute here. And let's see what this is. Just try saying it without cracking a. Okay, so let's change this panel and ask for, let's see, a person laughing, because it has its own photos that you can use from the media, which is wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna make that change here. Let's change it to anything here, really. Let's change it to this, and we're going to apply the changes. And it's going to take a few minutes to generate, and then those changes will be implemented. And this is where the change is. This is perfect. So as you can see, you can make changes to your video, you can make changes to the script and do all of that to even create a new video. So I can go in here and command that I don't like the video, that could you create an entirely new video, and it will generate a new video, which is wonderful. So let's go to something else. I'm going to show you another trick on how to use Invideo AI. Before I show you the next trick though, if you like this video and everything looks good, you can then export the video. And when you export the video, it's going to give you an option here. I'll show you here. No watermarks if you have a paid plan. If you don't have a paid plan, then the watermarks will show. And you want to make sure this stays on none, and this is 1080 for YouTube, and then you continue. And we will view this video in its entirety at the end of this video. Let's go to the next part. I'm going to go back over to my menu. I'm going to go to home. So now I'm going to generate another video. I'm going to show you something else here. This time I'm going to come down to the workflow and plugins. Now this is very interesting here because you can use Google Trends to come up with a story, a really good story, because they have trending stories throughout the day, and you can have a great story that you like, you copy the URL and you can come right back in here, explore all, and news videos. So you can click that. You can click the URL right in here. You can command and say, create a 3-minute video based on this story, and it will create a 3-minute video based on the story. This is a wonderful tool. And then you can go through the same editing process if you want to edit this video or not, and then export it if you like it. So that is another way to use this wonderful platform. You can also do YouTube Shorts. Just click right in here, and then you can give it the commands that you want. You can create and it gives you the option here, a fast-paced or very fast-paced or other. You can create whatever kind of video you'd like. And then you can command it to say, let's make sure the video is engaging and the audience is more financially focused, whatever. You can put any command in here you like about what you want your video to be. You can make the background music sad if you want to. Language you should be English. So it's giving you all the prompts of what it is to create a wonderful video for yourself. Add any subtitles, and I usually do to all of my videos here. You can use iStock as needed, and you can use YouTube audio library only. You can use that, and I think these are the free photos or whatever and videos. And then using iStock, you do have a limited amount that you can use on a paid plan. Just check that out when you purchase the plan. Okay. But I want to go over some of the prompts up here. They also have the InVideo Studio, and this is where you have all the templates that are embedded inside the video program itself. So you can do intros and outros and birthday video markers, Instagram video editor. So if you want to delve more inside of this particular program, sign up right now. This is a wonderful, wonderful mechanism to get your videos off the ground and running. Before I show the final video, remember that you can sign up today for this wonderful program, and new users will get 50 extra AI minutes in their first month on payment when they sign up using the links below.
Why are there not more people talking about the humorous side of horticulture? Today, I'll show you how flowers can lighten up your life and tickle your funny buds. Let's dive into the comical world of flowers. Ever heard of the snapdragon? It's not just a processor in your phone, folks. This flower literally snaps. Its petals resemble a dragon's mouth, and if you gently squeeze the sides, it'll snap at you like a playful puppy. Moving on to the bleeding heart. Sounds like a gothic novel, right? But it's just a flower with heart-shaped blooms that bleed a drop of white. It's the emo kid of the garden, always wearing its heart on its sleeve. And who could forget the tick seed? Its real name is Coreopsis, but tick seed is way more fun to say. Plus, it sounds like a ticklish weed, doesn't it? Just try saying it without cracking a smile. So next time you're feeling down, maybe skip the comedy club and head to the nearest garden instead. With flowers like these, who needs stand-up comedians?
If you've enjoyed the video, please leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.